If you've inherited a house in Perrysburg, Ohio, or if you have a house in Perrysburg and you're going through the probate process, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perrichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I has been buying properties in and around Perrysburg, Ohio, and a lot of the properties that we work with and a lot of sellers that we work with have inherited the property, so we're very familiar with this process, and we understand full-fledged and wholeheartedly, this could be complicated for you. There's a lot of moving parts. Sometimes there's a lot of paperwork involved when you're working with this inheritance and the estate, and sometimes there's courts and attorneys and things like that involved. And sometimes it can feel overwhelming, and sometimes it can feel complicated. So our aim from the very beginning, the very first time we communicate with you, it's to keep things simple, because we're not here to add stress to your already what could be a stressful situation. We want to keep it simple. And the way that we do that is we're going to buy the house and buy the property in its as-is condition. So that's convenient for you because you're never going to need to fix anything. You don't need to clean anything. You don't need to haul anything away. Anything that you want out of the house, any family collectibles or belongings, or if any family heirlooms, anything that you want, you can take. But anything that you don't want, you can simply leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. And when we're buying the property in its as-is condition, which makes it very easy for you, we're never going to ask you for repair credits, and we don't need to rely on an appraisal. This is a cash transaction, and it's not like a traditional buyer who's relying on a lender or a mortgage company to provide the money for them to buy the house. When you're working with a traditional buyer who's working with a traditional lender, like a mortgage company, they need to send over their appraiser and their inspector, and a lot of times they're just going to nitpick the house, and then if their lender wants repairs made before they're willing to, close the transaction, they could pull out at any time. It could leave you right back to where you started, and it's really sometimes a big waste of time, and they're going to want you to fix the property up, and it could get complicated really quickly. And if this traditional buyer is working with a real estate agent, oftentimes they're going to expect you to pay commissions, and that's coming, honestly, right out of your pocket. So when you sell to us, there's no middleman, there's no fees or commissions, and we're going to buy the property in its as-is condition, and that means we could close on your terms. So if you need or want to close quickly, we absolutely could accommodate, and we can make it happen quickly for you. Or if you need more flexibility, that's okay too. If you want to set a target date and close at some point in the future, if there's other family members involved, whatever your needs are, we're here to accommodate. So if you've inherited a house in Perrysburg and you're looking to sell quickly and very easy, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website name. That's just because we were founded in Columbus, but we are all over Perrysburg and Toledo, Cleveland, Akron, Dayton, Cincinnati. We're all over the great state of Ohio, and we're going to treat you like a neighbor. We're not some call center who's located in some far distant land. We're here in Ohio, and we're going to treat you fairly. So when you call us and when we get on the phone, we're going to make a fair cash offer on your Perrysburg house. And if our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward, we'll close, we're going to communicate transparently throughout this entire process. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. We're never going to apply pressure or sales tactics and a new script for you. And no, we're going to treat you like a neighbor, because that's exactly what we are. And we're never going to add stress to an already what could be stressful situation. So once again, if you have a house that you've inherited or a house that is going through the probate process in Perrysburg, Ohio, or in surrounding areas, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perrichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.